Hey guys, this is the new and improved Kentucky 4-board fence. It is made of steel. So this customer wanted a nice, durable fence, something made out of steel that was gonna last a long time, and she also wanted it to look amazing, and she wanted it black. There's a handful of options, and this is what she chose, and it turned out really sharp.
Vinyl is not a cheap permanent fence. It's an expensive temporary fence.
It fractures, it's brittle, it sags. Just ask somebody that's had vinyl for 10 years. It's just not great. And especially, this customer has a large Clydesdale, and I mean, it would just shatter vinyl. Definitely recommend hiring a professional installer, but you can do it yourself.
You can.
I will say, if you do it yourself, make sure that you get some instruction on how to give it a smooth top line flow, because that's a very common mistake, is for a fence to end up looking like this, and it can look really bad. You're gonna spend all that money on an amazing fence. It might as well be installed right from the get-go. It's a good price point for what you get too. There's another black steel fence that is actually a little bit stronger, but it's a bit more expensive. And this one offers the board, the traditional board look, which is very pleasing to the eye. A lot of people just really like that board look. But now you can get it in steel instead of having to get vinyl or wood that just don't have the life expectancy.
These rails are designed to buckle at 400 pounds side pressure. So if a horse charges it, the rail will buckle and pop out of the post, and you can replace it quite easily. You can just pop these caps off. There's a spacer that slides down inside here. Pull that out off of a couple posts. You just slide your rails out, slide a new rail in, drop the spacers in, pop the caps on.
And not to mention that, but if you want to take the standard rail rating of 400 pounds of side pressure before it buckles up to 700 pounds, Buckley makes this Z-bar that can be inserted in the rail. If you're not sure what fence is going to be the best for you, then give me a shout and we can go through the options. I can show you some pictures, the different material types, different price points, and we can find the one that's best for you and your needs. If you have a large project, the bigger it is, the more you save, all the way up to, I think the largest is 12% off with a $200,000 job. So you can have a pretty significant savings. I mean, that's 24 grand on a $200,000 project. So definitely the bigger the better, helps us, and we can pass a lot of savings back to you.
We specialize in large projects, and we are your high-end ranch supermarket, if you will. We have a variety of options from a variety of manufacturers at a variety of price points, and we can meet your needs. Just let us know what you need. We can help you out.